This presentation on digital citizenship in schools will focus on the rights and responsibilities of teachers and students. The first article linked here emphasizes the need for more than just a list of rules that students should abide by when using digital devices. Their interaction with the outside digital world requires more extensive training than a list of do's and don'ts for reasons like Zoom bombing. Zoom bombing is explained in the news story linked here and was commonplace when schools were going virtual for COVID-19. Preparing students for interactions with the outside world requires more extensive curriculum, like the third link on this slide. The guiding questions for this presentation are: do digital citizenship curriculums address the challenges of participating in online spaces in our current day and age, or do they simply provide a list of do's and don'ts that establish appropriate online user behavior? Also, are both moral and ethical thinking emphasized in digital citizenship instructions and classes? The digital citizenship message has a few challenges and opportunities. Some of those challenges include students' negative response to a list of do's and don'ts. Also, there are many complexities students run into when interacting with the digital world. Introducing students to a broader digital citizenship curriculum encourages them to see past moral thinking and focus on ethical thinking. Moral thinking considers only those closest to us and to the students, and also what they view as right and wrong in our interactions with those closest to us. However, ethical thinking considers the interests of a larger group, public, or society. Have students consider and explore their digital footprint. This causes them to know the extent of their digital interactions and also the impact that it can have on a larger group, and encourages them to focus on ethical thinking instead of just moral thinking. Some strategies to address these challenges and opportunities include having students being involved in researching their own digital footprint. This would be an excellent project assignment for a digital citizenship class and really gets the students involved. Also, students want their voice to be heard, so asking their opinion of the complexities they see when interacting online would be beneficial in forming digital citizenship lessons. There are many thorough and extensive digital curriculums available for schools to purchase.